You just found the 2016 Honda HR-V. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Check out this HR-V. It's the small SUV that packs clever cargo solutions, agile handling, advanced safety technology, and impressive fuel efficiency, all wrapped up in fresh, bold style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, keyless start, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, alarm. Kick your worries to the curb. This Honda HR-V is all about making your life easy and comfortable. Take it out for a drive today.